Hi, this is Quay. I'm recording a series of videos on Zotero. So hopefully it'll get you started on how to use Zotero. So the first thing you'll be doing is downloading the software. So when you click on download, there's two things that you'll be downloading. One is the Zotero 5.0 standalone. By standalone, I mean a software that will be living in your hard drive. And the second thing that you'll be downloading is the connector or the plugin for the browser. So depending whether you use Mozilla Firefox or Google Chrome or Safari for Macs, there's a plugin for that web browser. Once you download the browser, it's gonna live on the browser. So if you look at the all the icons on the ruler or the upper part of the web browser, you see an icon to save things into Zotero library. And if you're using Chrome and Firefox and Safari, all three of them, you can download the plugin for all three of them. So let's see what the standalone would look like. So once you download the standalone, you have a three-pane structure, and the way it looks is that on the left, you have your library with multiple folders. So for example, if you look under my chemistry folder, there's one called chem instruction. So it's a subfolder within the chemistry folder. And then within that instruction folder, there's items that I collect into that, right? So if I click on the manganese deception on graphene, you see the information about that particular journal article on that. And how does it get all that information? I got this from browsing in a database, and once I click on collecting into my library, it harvests all this information: author, title, abstract, publication, volume. So all the information about the article is being extracted out from the database. When you click on tags, these are the keywords that it downloaded from the database as well. And I can add other things into this. So let's say that this is about electrocatalysis. I can add into that, right? So now you have another keywords or subject that I added about this article. When I look in my library, I can look for anything that has to do with electrocatalysis. Okay, so you see all these are articles that I tagged, or it came from the database that has the keyword as electrocatalysis. So once you download the standalone, play around with different settings to your likings. For example, I was just talking about collecting items from the database just with a click of a button, but you can also manually add an item into this by inputting author, titles, DOI, and things like that. If you know the ISBN or the DOI or the PubMed ID, you can also collect the item just based on that. So that's about it for the first video, and stay tuned for the next video.